Hello there, introducing our uh, brand new Photoshop Action. With just one click you can turn any blemished portrait into a flawless glamour retouched photo. Spot are removed instantly, skin is enhanced beautifully, and the best part, no professional skill required. Simply brush over the area, play the action, and let the magic happen automatically. Save time, achieve professional quality result, and use it on multiple photos without repeating the same work again and again. This is after and before image. See, the quality is too good and you can control everything. So watch the full video and experience the power of our product. See, the quality is great. It's great retouching. Just play our script in Photoshop. See, it's work any size of image. So this is the original photography. Now start. I'm showing how to use it and customize it. Okay, go my download file, there is help file. You can read the help file. There is some information include and our supporting information include and how to use information. This is the script and this is the cover photo image. This is the script Photoshop Action. You can select and double click it. Then if your Photoshop is open, then it is automatically loaded your Photoshop. Okay, I have closed my Photoshop, every open photography. So select and double click, or you can load manually. Go window and action option, click. Now action option maybe show the right side or any side area, like this area. You can set up it left side for better showing purpose. More option, click, load button, click, and now find out my main file. Download is Skin Retouching Photoshop Action. Select and load button, click. Now is loaded. This is the folder and this is the all-in-one play action, play me. This is the script. Now open a photography. I have collect some photography like this one. See, the most face are the spot. So how can remove it? Make sure your photography is RGB color mode. If not RGB color mode, then go image mode, RGB option. Just click there. If show any message, OK button, click. And make sure your photography is a lock icon. Show this icon and background name is background. Sometimes some photography look like transparent PNG or transparent PNG format. That is not accept the action. If your photography layer 0 or transparent photography, so follow this step. Right button your mouse and fit an option, click. Now is set a lock background layer. Now everything is okay. I just check out my image size because you can use any high resolution. I have used the standard size for my video time short purpose. Okay, and select the all-in-one and hit the play button. Now it's working. Depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. So in this time I will show you something. This is our on-site www.photoshopaction.net. So you can visit our site and download our free file. Free file is available. Download, and free file tutorial is available. Our YouTube channel MRI Kokon, and see some of free file download link and how to use the video link include the video description. And you can check out my bundle offer, 99% bundle going on, and discount product 40% discount flash sale. Check out the flash sale, and our other product is a discount available there. Download our all product in Creative Market MRI Studio shop. All product in MRI Studio Creative Market shop, and download our QC product by QC check by Inverto, Graphics River, and MRI Kokon. And in this all profile link I will include my video description. Check out the video description. Also download link include video description, and join my Facebook fan page, and also join my Facebook group, customer group, only for our customer for discuss. And there is the instruction. So instruction, select the mask layer that was created by the action, remove setting 3, this one, using soft brush, carefully paint over the area. Okay, stop, and do not change and do not do anything, just select this mask point and soft brush select, and you just brush which area already little work, but if you think the hardly remove, then you can just brush the area, not full area, just only spot area you can brush. See, is removed very nicely, and nose area and the top area. Okay, I have removed. Just brush, make sure select this mask option and do not select any others layer. Okay, is good. Now is too good. Okay, if you think this is the finish, just do not do anything, just play. Do not do anything, just play again. Then same marks is replace other two setting. This is the save your type. If you don't like this one, you can check this one. This is another setting and another setting, and you can use, this is the standard and high ended. So sometime there is the more hardness show, then you can uncheck just to shade it, then it's perfect. But more realistic looking, sharpness looking purpose, you can use my default. Okay, and same way I have used another photography like this one. And the brush option, size option, and I have type now less than. Okay, already lock background layer, and I have the hit the button. Now start working. So this is the instruction of brushing. So watch this, select this brush already, and see some little need to touch up brush area. Now is done. Okay, and just hit the play button and other song work. See, you can choose anyone and select this one, and there is the adjustment. You can use this adjustment if you think. Little adjustment we have included, the combined adjustment. Now see, and there is the realistic natural texture include. You can less the texture, just hide this one and this one. Now see, the texture is high. See, but I think this one is a good. So this is the old photography, and this is our retouching. See, this is the old photography, and then our script. Thanks for watching this video. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message my profile or my Facebook fan page or WhatsApp number to live chat anytime, and you can check out my video description for download link available.